Alright guys, thanks for joining us again. Just caught us having a quick brew.
Yeah.
Strongest mug in the world ever, these. Don't know how you're going to get a bash bar and probably crack if you screwed it on, wouldn't it? Anyway, we've had the first of a few deliveries, haven't we?
Yeah.
What have we got so far?
We have a Tamiya Hornet, a Tamiya Grasshopper, and a Tamiya Wild one.
Blockhead edition, always fancied this. So, the basis of this delivery, guys, basically, probably like a lot of you out here, back in the 80s, I started off with a Grasshopper and a Hornet, and it was really, really good fun building them. So, compared to new stuff, they are pretty rubbish, let's be honest, we can't lie. So, I wanted to get Miles,
Yeah.
Monster Munch, back into building, because everyone buys the ready to runs, which is absolutely fine. They're brilliant. Take it out of the box, bung a battery in, off you go. I wanted him to enjoy building it as well as driving it. So what we're going to do, we're going to get these built up over the next few days.
Yeah.
But we're not going to put a 540 in, are we? What we're going to do with them for power?
We are going to put a 3S brushless combo in it.
Nice, that's going to be good. Probably going to rip the stock gearbox up, but we'll give it a try. We reckon if we're gentle on the throttle and wind it up, it might last a run, won't it? As long as you get a video out of it, guys, that's fine. And then we can get the gears, the metal gears in it. I have actually got them on my watch list, but the trouble is the metal gear set for the Grasshopper and the Hornet, might be the same for this one, I haven't looked, is like 50 quid or probably $60. So that's a lot of money. It's nearly the same price as a Grasshopper kit. So we'll see how we get on. We've also got the Avante, if I just grab that, Miles, behind you.
Yeah.
We've got this one, which, like for most of you, for me is literally my dream RC. So I wasn't going to run it because it really is nice, but what's the point of having that sat on the shelf?
Exactly.
So again, what are we going to do with that?
We are going to put a 3S brushless combo in it.
Exactly.
Run it on the beach.
And enjoy it. Because that's what they're for. They're for enjoying. I get people putting them on the wall. I've done it with this for a while, but it's got to be used, and it's too much fun. So we're going to get that done. We've also got here's another delivery here, actually. Yeah, another delivery. Loads of deliveries. What's that?
That is a 3S brushless combo.
No, it's a 6S water-cooled ESC for our Pro Boat Jetstream. So that's going to wake it up a bit, so that's going to come in another video. We'll get that popped in. So for now, we'll leave it there. We're going to get all three of these built up, just as rollers for a minute with the steering servo, because we're waiting on a HOBBYWING Max 10 Combo G2 for the Avante, and we've gone for some cheapy Banggood special type ones for these. So they're going to be like, I think, well, I can't remember, I've ordered 80 amp ESC, something like that, so they should run 3S alright. So we get them all built up, we'll get the ESCs fitted, and the idea is, let's get a retro classic video. Where should we do that?
On the beach.
On the beach, winner, because that's where these are designed for, guys. Get them in the sand, get them in the dirt.
I was going to say, because on the sand, if you roll over, it's not going to damage your car, because you're not going to scrape
exactly.
your
And
body.
don't forget, we're going to take a while, with the exception of this one, which is already pre-painted, luckily, because it's the blockhead one. We're going to have to cut all the bodies out. I think that's a solid polycarb body. We'll get it all cut out and stick it up, so we would be ashamed to smash them up first run, wouldn't it? The gearboxes are going to be like butter though, so I don't think they're going to last long. And another thing we got to do, guys, we've got the Low-C Pro Moto. I'll finish up a little video for that. We're going to get my brother, who's really clever with 3D printing, to make us a headlight, and that'll be quite funky.
Yeah.
We got Dean the rider with his Radical RC hoodie on already. We are going to change the swing arm. I wasn't going to do it just to follow the trend, but apparently you need to adjust the chains all the time on these, and it's a bit of a nightmare with this fitting, because you've got to take the little plug out and keep putting different ones in to adjust the chain. So the sports one looks mega, because you can just twist the back blocks like a real one and adjust your chain. So that is a mod we're going to do for that one. And we've also need the shoe glue the Gorgon body, because that is probably the thinnest body ever, isn't it? What's it like?
It's like...
And you don't want your body doing that, guys. Right, we'll leave it there for now then, and we'll catch up once we got some of these built, and we'll check back in. Cheers, guys.